Welcome to the installation guide for your new Spottune system. Let's get started on mounting and setting up your Omni speaker. Begin by positioning your Omni speaker onto the power track, ensuring it faces the correct direction. There should be no resistance when doing so. Once in place, lock the track adapter into position. The speaker will now boot up, indicated by a white light. Shortly after, it will automatically enter pairing mode, indicated by a flashing green light. The antenna is located beneath the Spottune logo on the speaker. Always orient this side toward the area where the stream will be located for optimal signal strength. If you wish to change what phase powers your speaker, simply turn the phase wheel. On top of the Omni speaker, you can select either zone 1 or 2. You can also put the Omni into pairing mode. Moving on to setting up the stream. Begin by securely attaching the antennas, ensuring they are screwed on tightly and pointing upwards to the sides. Plug in your power source and your stream is ready to boot up. The stream will automatically start searching for nearby speakers to pair with. Once paired successfully, the speaker will display a green light. Lastly, choose between Bluetooth, USB, cloud, and aux. Select your music input on the bottom left button and select your zone on the top left button. Your Spottune installation is now complete and ready to go. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for following along.